Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add multiple photos to your Facebook story. This is a great way to share several moments at once while keeping your story organized. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the updated features. Step 2. On the main screen, tap on Create Story at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the story creation options. Step 3. Now tap on Select at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to choose multiple photos from your gallery to add to your story. Step 4. After selecting the photos you want to use, tap Next at the bottom right of the screen to move to the next step. Step 5. Here's the key part. Tap on Separate Stories. This option lets you upload each photo as a separate story, so each picture will appear individually, keeping your feed fresh and dynamic. Step 6. Finally, when you're ready, tap Share to post the stories. Your photos will now be posted as separate stories for your friends to enjoy. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple photos to your Facebook story, each as its own separate post. It's a quick and easy way to share different moments without cluttering your friends' feeds with one big upload. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your social media.